Hello my dear friends. Before starting today's my video, can you answer some simple question to me? Who is watching this video now? Are you married or are you hoping to get married? If you are already married, how will your marriage life so far? Are you satisfied with your married life? Even if you have some arguments or misunderstandings between you and him or her, or if you are going to get married, how do you plan to continue your happy marriage endlessly? I know there are many answers in your mind to all these questions. With nearly 30 years of experience in my marriage life, as well as the advice of veteran persons, as well as what I have learned so far in my religious life in Buddhism, see if it suits you all. Now you know what do I explain in my today's video. Yes, of course, I am going to tell you in my today's video some facts about a topic that you often hear in newspapers and on televisions as well as in your life. Maybe you are someone who has experienced this situation or not. I think this is very important for you if you are looking to get married in the future or someone you love. I invite you to listen carefully to everything I mentioned and watch this video till the end. Consider first the points I make in this video. Decide if it suits you. If applicable, I say these things will be useful for your life as well. I am going to tell you what are the reasons for the breakdown of your marriage and the factors that lead to divorce. Your marriage may be the result of a love affair or due to some other relationship, and you both may have had a happy life together for some period or as it nowadays. You may have loved each other a lot before marriage. You both may have shared everything very well with each other. You must have thought, I found the best person I could find at that period. You may have thought not just once but many times. In those days when you were in love together, sometimes you may have thought that your marriage would take place without delay. At that point, you may have noticed that both thoughts and ideas fit well together. If you are not married yet, listen carefully to what I have to say. Before explaining all about those, if you are a newcomer or not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the below red colored subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button and select all to be notified as soon as my new videos is released. After watching this video, the content is much better for you. Give your likes or dislikes and give your idea or thoughts about this video as a comment. Let's start it again from where I explained. As I was explaining, if you are not married yet, what should you have to know? If you think the two of you fit in well in every way during the time you are in love, even if you love too much, you can understand that it is a wrong thought when you enter into a married life. I am not saying that this will affect everyone's married life. I mean for a lot of people could be that way. The best way to find out if she or he is right is to get married and live together for a while. But this cannot be practical, but you can clearly understand if the married one is suitable or not. You can only see the hidden qualities in her or him when you live together. I am not saying this is going to happen to and having problems. You can see all the inconsistencies you never saw before you got married. You will regret it. I was married to someone like this. After marriage, how do you come up with inconsistent ideas that you have not seen before your marriage? After marriage, we need to find all these reasons for inconsistencies. If you can't find answers to many of the problems that arise after your married life starts, then you will have to face a lot of problems in future. Without finding answers to your problems, if you continue to have problems between the two of you, the result will be your marriage may be ended. That is, it can even lead to divorce. So, to keep your marriage strong and live happily till you die, let's look at how you can resolve issues between the two of you. Let us first find out what are the factors to strengthen your marriage or love. The first and foremost thing is to be someone who fits your mind, your thoughts. While this is not 100% matching, may need to be closely. If you feel that your partner is acting out of your thoughts, the first thing you should do is talk to your partner in a friendly manner. This is where all marriage problems begin. So, the moment you see this difference, you should be wise and talk to your partner and resolve it. It is important that you have to be smart about these conflicts that may arise after marriage. The first thing you should do is talk to your partner and try to resolve the issue. If your partner does not agree with that you say, you should try to understand your partner's thoughts and change the way you think to match your partner. From there, try to understand your partner's mind, thoughts. Try to get used to everything your partner likes as you can maximum. The food he likes to eat, the places he likes to travel, the activities he likes to activate, especially as a man and woman, and so on. Although it may be difficult at first, little by little as you practice these habits, your partner will begin to understand your thoughts and desires as time passes. If you start living this way, you will realize how happy the two of you are without too much time spent. Even though you have problems in your life from time to time, because you both understand each other well, you can solve all those problems very quickly. This is the main factor that helps to keep the marriage happy and well. If you understand each other and live well, you can have a friendly conversation with your spouse about financial problems, infertility, various illnesses, age gaps, marital breakdowns, or other issues that lead to divorce. Since the mind is the root of everything in our lives, if we understand each other's mind as much as possible and live our life, no matter what problems we have in our married life, it will not be one that we cannot solve. If you are watching this video as an unmarried person and have already met someone you love, try to understand each other's thoughts as much as possible before marriage. It helps a lot to make your marriage a success. When you are in love, you can easily understand if it really fits your mind and thoughts when you spend time talk, walking or some other activities with your partner. In the beginning, before your marriage, if you understand all about these things in your lover, I can say without a doubt that your marriage will go very well. I think you may understand what I explained to you today's video. If you can share your thoughts with his thoughts as much as possible, you will become a happier person. Because developing this way, it is easy to monitor and resolve any issues you may be facing in your life. Think about the things I pointed out. If it suits you, try to adapt it to your life and enjoy your life. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button and select all to activate notification as soon as my new video is released at once. And click the thumb up button to like this video, or else give a dislike as per your idea about this video content. I would be really grateful if you could write your thoughts or ideas about this video content. I wish you a happy life. Thanks for watching.